Welcome to Takeover. In this video we explain how to make a withdrawal. Once you access your user panel, you will see two wallets, the deposit wallet and the interest wallet. Withdrawals are always made from the interest wallet, so it is necessary that this wallet has a balance. To proceed with the withdrawal, first, we display our menu and click on withdrawal. Second, the withdrawal conditions will be displayed on the screen, which are minimum withdrawal 0.002 bitcoins and maximum withdrawal 1 bitcoin. At this point it is important to note that the maximum withdrawal is 1 bitcoin for security, but the user will be able to make all the daily withdrawals that he needs. Takeover does not charge a withdrawal fee, but the Bitcoin network will charge 0.5%. And finally, it indicates that the processing time is 24 to 48 hours. This is because withdrawals are reviewed by humans to increase user safety. Third, we click on withdraw now. Fourth, we will enter the amount we want to withdraw. In this case we will withdraw 0.5 bitcoins. Fifth, we will click on confirm. The summary of the requested withdrawal will appear. Requested amount of 0.5 bitcoins. Bitcoin's network fee. The amount of bitcoins to receive. And finally, how will the balance of the interest wallet remain after the withdrawal? Now we just have to proceed by pasting the Bitcoin wallet where we want to receive the withdrawal, and click on confirm. In a period of 24 to 48 hours, the requested amount will be found in the wallet indicated by the user. Thank you for choosing Takeover.